Happy April 1st, everyone. It is a great Monday here at South Belton Middle School, and I hope that each and every one of you are doing great out there. I wanted to just post a quick video real quick for you all in preparation for what is coming up over the next couple of weeks. We are on the final countdown to April 16th. That is when our ELA STAAR test will be. As I've stated in previous emails and videos, I am prepared to support your student in whatever way I can through meeting with them after school during tutorial time. I've had one parent reach out to me so far, scheduling a day with me to meet and discuss the items that are needed for their student. And so I'd like to encourage and invite anyone else who would like for me to work with their student, and that way we can really make some headway into preparing for STAAR. Several students that I have not passed a STAAR test before, and so I would like the opportunity to meet with them and to work with them. And I would also like to be able to work with other students who also are needing that support. And so what I want to do is I want to be able to look back at our previous test. I want to plan activities that are specifically for them and for their needs. We will be reviewing items that specifically cover the areas of concern that we have, and we will work on those to make sure that they understand what is being asked of them and how to answer those types of questions. And this is not just for the test. You know, this is a lifelong skill of analyzing past performance, of thinking critically about how one has done in a job or in some type of performance. And so what I try to tell kids is that, these tests are important, but the skills that we are learning don't just apply to the STAAR test, they apply to many areas of life. And so I would love to have that opportunity. I did send an email earlier with our newsletter. Please be looking for that. There is an item in there about the Big Red Heart Award, which is Belton ISD's way of recognizing staff members who practice the Belton ISD values and beliefs. And so if you feel like there's a teacher that your student has that exhibits those qualities and you would like to take the time to support them and to encourage them through this Big Red Heart Award, I encourage you to do that for whichever teacher you think is deserving of that. This week we are focusing on identifying themes and making connections to real-world situations. We are focusing in on standards that specifically deal with writing. Students need to be able to write coherent sentences, use punctuation and capitalization properly, organize their thoughts in a organized manner, and they need to be able to write in a way that directly relates and responds to a prompt. And so students are working on that this week, and so you can be asking them about that at home. Remember that on the 8th, we do not have any school. We do have our ELA STAAR test on the 16th, and then as we near the end of school, which is on May the 22nd, we will also be taking our end-of-year Renaissance reading test. All right. Some of the texts that we are looking at this week, we're reading a poem entitled Mother to Son, which is a poem written by Langston Hughes. It's a fantastic poem that is from the Renaissance era of the Harlem Renaissance, and so it is a fantastic piece that I think you would enjoy as well. So, talk to your student about that and encourage them to share that with you. We're using that piece as a springboard for our writing that we are doing this week, so please be talking to them about that. Also want to remind students that if there is work that they did not complete last week, they need to get that completed. They need to make sure that they are getting their things turned in on time. And that is something that has been a struggle recently. I think kids are getting that spring fever as they're looking forward to ending the school year. But we need to finish strong, and we need to continue to participate in class, complete our assignments, and get everything done. So with that being said, please talk to your students as well. Thank you so much for your time today. If you have any questions, please reach out via email, call me, or you can shoot me a message through the Remind app. Thank you so much, and have a great day.